Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To set up the fully qualified domain name in your Ubuntu system, you need to follow the next steps. First, check the current hostname. After that, check the current fully qualified domain name. To set a new hostname, run the following command. Add the domain name to form to the fully qualified domain name. After that, edit the next file by running the following command and add or update an entire for fully qualified domain name. Save and close the file. After that, check the hostname one more time, and also check the fully qualified domain name. To be sure that everything is correct, ping the fully qualified domain name to ensure it was correctly resolved. After that, restart the system by running the next command. And last, you need to test the configuration. Verify the system uses the correct fully qualified domain name by running the following command. That's it. Now your Ubuntu system should be configured with new desired fully qualified domain name. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.